I am hoping that the turnover of these fire trucks will allow you to do your jobs more efficiently, will allow you to serve your country in a better manner, and will allow quicker response. Like the governor said, this is the first time in the history of Ilocos Norte na lahat ng munisipyo meron ng tag-iisang fire truck. Ang ating Regional Director of the BFP, Leonida Gimaba Rosales, and to everyone in attendance on this momentous occasion, good afternoon to all of you. I would like to first of all thank all of you for the kind words that you have directed towards me. But truth be told, alam ko naman, madali kumuha ng credit sa nangyayari ngayong araw na ito. But I would like to point out that this really was a joint effort. So this was just as much the responsibility of GovMat, of Vice Gov Cecile, of Kong Angelo, and all the officials who were involved in this historic day. And I think it would be best if I start off by saying na lahat tayo dito ay nagpapasalamat sa ating minamahal na Pangulo, si Apo Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Amuyo po, alam naman natin, no, medyo nasaswertehan tayo dito sa Ilocos Norte, 11 fire trucks ang nakuha natin. Wag na lang natin na banggitin ng masyado sa iba't ibang probinsya, baka mapekon lang sila. But amuyo po, sinabi ko na nga sa ating minamahal na Pangulo na Pop, baka naman magagalit yung mga ibang probinsya na 11 kaagad na kukuha ng Ilocos Norte na fire truck. Paano na ba yan? Tumingin siya sa akin. Alam mo, ang ating mga kakailian, sila ang nag-alaga sa akin. They were the ones who took care of me when I had nothing. Ngayon, dumating na ang oras that I take care of them. So, sabi niya, huwag kang mahiya sa lahat ng tulong na dumarating dito sa Ilocos Norte dahil well-deserved naman talaga yan at kailangan na kailangan alagaan natin ang ating mga kakailian unang-una. So, priority talaga ang well-being ng ating mga kakailian, hindi lang sa atin lahat dito, kundi sa ating minamahal na Pangulo. I would also like to, of course, thank Senator Sonny Angara of the the Committee on Finance, who had an instrumental role in acquiring these fire trucks for this province. And of course, higit sa lahat, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa ating minamahal na Bureau of Fire Protection. Alam ko po, this gesture of goodwill and this gift is not even comparable compared to the service you give our kakailian, compared to the service that you give to our province. Katulad po sa sinabi ng ating minamahal na Gov, ang dami niyo pong ginagawa na hindi lamang ay nasa inyong mandate, kundi sa lahat po ng disaster response, sa lahat po na nangangailangan ng ating probinsya ay binibigay nyo. So maraming salamat po. Sana po, I am hoping that the turnover of these fire trucks will allow you to do your jobs more efficiently, will allow you to serve your country in a better manner, and will allow quicker response. Like the governor said, this is the first time in the history of Ilocos Norte na lahat ng munisipyo meron ng tag-iisang fire truck. So I hope that this will improve response times. I hope that this will allow for the delivery of better public service and for the ability of our public servants to give a better future to our kakailian. So on that note, I would like to once again thank all of you for the kind words of support, and I hope na dahil may 11 ngayon, and alam ko sa mga iba't ibang munisipyo, napakaluma na talaga mga fire trucks na ginagamit nila. So I think it's high time that we finally are able to replace, if not add, to the existing fleet that we already have. But I am hoping na kung may 11 ngayon, alam ko may mga 12 pa dyan na nanghihingi. So I am hoping that this is the first of many turnovers to come. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Agbiag, Ilocos Norte, Agbiag, Pilipinas po. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for that. Very inspiring.